Hi children, take your book, open the book page number 97, poem, book back exercise, okay, glossary, peel means to collect, pantries, a storage room, prey, an animal that is hunted and killed by another for food. ஓகே ப்ரே மீன்ஸ் வேட்டையாடி தன்னோட அதர் உயிரினங்களை கொன்று தன்னோட உணவுக்காக சேமித்து வைக்கிறது பேர் தான் என்னது ப்ரே. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு கிரானரி, எ ஸ்டோர் ஹவுஸ் ஃபார் த்ரஸ்ட் கிரைன். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு கேனரி, எ பிளேஸ் வேர் த ஃபுட் இஸ் பேக்டு இன் கேன்ஸ் ஆர் டின்ஸ். ஓகே சி த கேன்ஸ் ஆர் டின்ஸில் ஃபுட்டை பேக் பண்ணுறதுக்கு பேர் தான் என்னது கேனரி. Match with the storing places. Okay, see the farmer, that is the cannery, you draw a line. Next anthill, leopard, that is the store the food, prey, that is the tree la da store pannum, so draw a line. Next fill in the blanks with rhyming words. Anthill, see that anthill, winter's chill. Next tunnels, canals, tunnels, canals. Next lauder, starter, lauder, starter. Tree, free, tree, free. Next granary, cannery, save, gave, that also rhyming word. Next answer the following questions. Where do ants peel their food? Ant peel their food in the anthill. Where do the crocodiles save? The crocodiles save food in their pantries. The crocodiles save food in their pantries. What do you save? Why it is needed? We have to save everything that nature gave. Okay, we have to save everything that nature gave. It is needed for our future generation. It is needed for our future generations. Turn the page. That is a book back grammar. First term we are learnt simple present. Now we are going to learn about simple past tense. Okay, what do you ma? Say once again, simple past tense. Simple past tense means ஒரு ஆக்ஷன் வந்து முடிஞ்சிருச்சு அப்படின்றது பேர் தான் என்னது சிம்பிள் பாஸ்ட் டென்ஸ். யூ வெண்ட் ஹோம், வீட்டுக்கு போயிட்டாங்க. ரோட் எழுதிட்டாங்க. பிளேட் விளையாடிட்டாங்க. ரன் ஓடிவிட்டான். ஹீ ரன் டு த கிளாஸ் ரூம், கிளாஸ் ரூமில் என்ன செய்யிட்டான்? ஓடிட்டான். ஹீ பிளேட் செஸ், செஸ் விளையாடினார்கள். இட் ஃப்ளூ அவே, அவைகள் பறந்தது. தே விசிட்டட் ஹிம், அவங்க அவரோட வீட்டுக்கு போனாங்க. தட் இஸ் எ சிம்பிள் பாஸ்ட் டென்ஸ். I boiled the water. We boiled the water. You boiled the water. That is the boil is the present form. Boiled is the past form. Okay, here also write it. Next we saw simple past tense for action verb. Now let us use the simple past tense for be form verb. Okay, you know the be form verb? Am, is, or, was. That is a present. Past was, were. Past participle been. Present participle being. Okay, this only you learn. Okay, I, he, she, it also use the was. That also singular. Be, you, that also plural, used the past form were. Okay, he also was. Here having Some accents. What happened? A monkey came down from the tree. It grabbed the banana from the boy. He shouted in fear. The monkey ate the banana. Write was or were to complete the sentences. I dash the leader for my class. I is the singular, so which before verb was. Okay, we is the plural, so we add the where is New York last week. You as the plural, use the before verb where. Kavi dash kind to me. Kavi is the singular, so was. The bus dash brand new. That's also singular, so was. They dash friends. They also plural, so were. Raghu dash my junior in class. Okay, Raghu is the singular, so was. Write the past form of the verbs. Read, same, read. Sing, sang. Sleep, slept. Okay, what children? Next, turn the page. Complete the sentences with simple past form of the given verb. It dash last winter. Snow, snowed. Okay, snow past form snowed. The rain dash continue all day. Continue past form continued. Next, I lost my balance. Lost past form lost. Next, we dash stand for hours. Stand past form stood. Come past form came. Tom came home from school. Okay children. Next, future. Future. Simple future tense refers to an action or event that has not yet happened. Future. Next, simple future tense. Okay, எதிர்காலம் இனிதான் நடக்க போகுது. So with the auxiliaries shall or will, come let us use it. Okay, will or shall, you use it. Okay, will meet. 7 pronoun, you use the will auxiliary verb will or shall only. I used for I. The word shall and will are used for I and we. Will is used for you, they, he, she, it. Here, the bus will reach Orchard by evening. Circle the sentences that are in simple future tense. They washed the van. They washed, that is a past form, so don't circle it. Second one, Kamal will meet you at the shop. Will, that is a future. இனிமே தான் அந்த கடைக்கு போக போகிறாங்க. ஓகே, கடைக்கு போய் என்ன செய்ய போகிறாங்க, அவங்கள மீட் பண்ண போகிறாங்க. ஸோ தட் இஸ் எ ஃபியூச்சர், ஸோ சர்க்கிள் இட். My dad helps me read. Okay, helps is the present, so don't put the circle. Next, it will rain. It will rain tomorrow. நாளைக்கு தான் என்ன செய்யும், it will rain tomorrow. நாளைக்கு தான் மழை வர மாதிரி இருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஸோ will, that is a future, so circle it. He ate many mangoes. Okay, ate is the past form, so don't circle it. Next, fill in the blanks with simple future tense of the verb. Sakti dash a lot of money. Will earn. Okay, you add the will. You dash around the world. Will travel around the world. Everybody dash you. Will adore. Many people dare serve you, will serve you. They dare anticipate your wishes. They will anticipate your wishes. Okay, write neatly in your book. Okay, thank you.